Hello all. I'm concerned today. I'm concerned by what I've heard from our local docs, and I'm concerned what I've heard from the province. Our local healthcare providers are seeing community transmission of COVID-19. They say these positive cases are from gatherings and people not self-isolating properly when they're told to. It's critical. It is fundamental that if you have been told to self-isolate for 14 days, you do it. You must do it. That means you can't leave your home and you can't see anyone outside your home for the full 14 days, even if you've had a negative COVID test. You must self-isolate for the full 14 days. If you do not, you are putting your friends, your family, and our whole community at risk. Whistler's community health is critical for our efforts to get open and to stay open this winter. We all know that COVID is both a health and economic issue for our town. And since we started to see this uptick in local cases and see some of this community transmission, it becomes even more incumbent on us to be vigilant. It's up to all of us to up our game, to do our COVID basics. Do the things we need to do to get open, and stay skiing this season. Please be vigilant. Do your part. This week, leadership at the province used some really stark language to describe where we're at in our province. Minister Adrian Dix and Dr. Reka Gustafson said the following, and I'll just read it to you. As we enter the 11th month of COVID-19 in British Columbia, the numbers of the last 3 days have shattered records. As the weather gets colder, people are hosting more gatherings inside. The majority of COVID-19 cases involved in this surge is in Fraser Health, where there's 830 cases, and Vancouver Coastal Health, where there are 234 cases. And most of these are connected with gatherings in private homes. For me, getting together in groups of people is something that makes life rich and deep. I'm sure that's the case for you, but it's something we just can't do right now. Even if you haven't been asked to self-isolate, please keep to your family and only an additional safe 6 people. It's the law. I received a lot of questions this week about why we are requiring masking in municipal facilities. At the very highest level, it's to provide COVID-safe public spaces like I've just been discussing. As Dr. Henry says, wearing masks in public places is the expectation. So we're focused on Whistler's broader health, but also a particular need to drive safety alignment in preparation for the return of tourism and international travel one day. Again, we want to get open and stay open this winter. Thanks for your time tonight. Let's do the work to get open and stay open. Take care of yourself and take care of each other.